Guys, I filmed the haul of my Kleinanzeigen shop today, and in my gallery I can find the videos, but in the app that I added my videos, there's no video. Naja, but the video of the unboxing of Dracula from Smyth Toys is here, and the unboxing of Laguna is not here. Yeah, then I show you the haul. So I got 2 games. Oh. I got 2 games. Two books and a clock. Yeah. And here you can see an Einleitung, I don't know the English word. And so, yeah. I let Dracula out of the box. No. And then that's my first Dracula, and here is another key, and yeah, this time is packed. You must pull there. Yeah, here's the other key. I wanna watch up this. What? Oh my gosh. Here are her Ohrenwärmer. I don't know the word in English again. But It looks so cute. And another key, but this time is durchsichtig and glittery. And yeah, her Kragen and her earrings. Forgot to show you this, and yeah. Oh. The keys. I don't know the English and the German word, but yeah, I don't know the English and German word. Another key. Here is the key, and the last thing in the locker is I don't know what this is, but I think it's an makeup thing. Hair drink. I think it's an cacao or like that. And I don't know what is this. Yeah. What? Makeup thing again. I forgot this and unbox the shoes. Yeah, here. I think that's her makeup bag. Yeah, you can open it. And you can take things in the case. Yeah. And next, other shoes. So here, bye and have a nice day. And I make the video, also I edit the video, and yeah.